Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You, and if you are from the batch of 2025, then it is going to be one of the wonderful hiring news for you. HCL Tech, one of the top MNC, has finally decided to hire. So this is a website from where you will be able to apply. But wait, I will tell you a step-by-step process that how are you going to apply. So you don't simply click on the link and start doing it. So hold it for some time, watch the complete video, and then you apply. Don't do any mistake, because these opportunities, if you lose later on, nothing can be done. Okay, fine. So before that, I just wanted to tell you, friends, so I have created a WhatsApp group. Okay, so batch 2025 hiring, and definitely some kind of help status and all, and then this Telegram group. So this both will be helping you, right? So exam help. And friends, don't pay any money to anyone if they ask you that we will help you, we will give you the code and all. Please don't do that. You help each other, you discuss, right, with each other. That is all fine, but please don't pay any money. Join this Telegram group and WhatsApp group. The link is in description. And anyway, we are there to monitor. We remove that people who ask money from the student, but you don't pay. Fine. Sir, can you please tell us step-by-step hiring process? Haan bhai, I will tell you. So I have already prepared slide by slide for you. We are already putting a lot of effort. And once more thing, friend, one more thing. If you are not subscribing this channel, then definitely you will be missing some opportunities. I'm not telling you won't get from other places, but for genuine hiring, genuine updates, so please do subscribe. After you get a job, you unsubscribe. I'm totally fine with that. Okay, fine. So HCL official hiring, off-campus hiring. So ready to power up your career? Join HCL Tech, where innovation meets opportunity, right? Okay, fine. Okay, so are you a 2025 Btech, CSE, IT, ECE, EEE, EIE graduate with a passion for technology and drive to make an impact? HCL Tech, one of the world's fastest growing tech giants, is looking for you to join our graduate engineer trainee program. Btech in CSE, IT, EEE, ECE, UG batch 2025, 70% in 10th, 12th and graduation, willingness to relocate pan India for project opportunities. Interview cities: Noida, Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. HCL Tech, we do not just offer jobs, we provide a career acceleration platform. And from here, if you click, right, then you will be redirected to the page which I was showing you here. Okay, so let us come down to this page, and if you are a new user, then you register yourself, and if already if you have registered, then please do log in with your email ID and password. Okay, now friends, I will take you through. So what will happen? So once you log in, right, then you will be able to see this particular page. So from here, start with your application. Okay, so right now you could see application submitted on, application number, nothing is there. Okay, fine. You will be also receiving the email. So after your each steps, so email is where I have closed it, but that's okay, no problem. So here we will be able to see. Okay, so now let's go here and try to see somebody is calling. Okay, so just let me put on airplane mode. Okay, fine. So step by step, if you will see. Okay, so after login, then candidate consent. So here you have to click on I accept. I hope you are able to see this. Okay, so let me go this side. So now candidate consent, personal detail, academic details, and work experience. So once you fill all the data, you upload your resume, you upload your photo, step by step we will go. So 14% complete, mandatory fields. Kindly read the candidate privacy policy. So here you have to click on accept, and then here you can click on next. Okay, fine. Next page, they are asking you some details like your name, your email ID, your mobile number, date of birth, gender, country, correspondence state. So all those things you have to fill. Is permanent address same as the address for communication? You can put yes. Okay, and then again click on next. So these are your personal detail which you need to fill. Okay, after this, okay, I just went to the home page to see what is. So application in progress and application completed, not it. Clear? Okay. Then next is, so once you fill that, you will be able to see 60% completed. Then you have to fill your academic details, like from 10th, from where you did, 12th, from where you did, undergraduation, from where you did, have you appeared for the JEE examination? If yes, you fill that. Okay, and the percentage of completion will keep increasing. Have you previously worked with HCL? No. Do you have any work experience? If you have, you put yes, otherwise you put no. You see 80% completed. Then upload your recent photo and updated resume and government issued ID, and upload identity proof. Okay, and upload 10th mark sheet. So these are the 5 things. Once you step 5 by 8, then you will be moved to step 6 by 8. 90% completed. Have you done any certification? I have marked no. If you have done, please mark yes. Job roles, okay, and then are you sure you want to apply for technical jobs? Okay, technical specialization, computer science, select, specify the technical skills preference. I have selected some random things, so you select the correct one which you have done and then click on next. Now 94% complete mandatory fields, step 7 of it, right? Okay, declaration. I certified that information submitted by me in support of this application. Please, each and every detail, fill it very carefully, because tomorrow if your initial name is wrong or some data is wrong or percentage is wrong, it's very difficult to get it edited. Then, so 100% complete mandatory fields, step 8 by 8. Thank you for applying for HCL technology. HCL follows a stringent selection process. Each application received is evaluated for multiple parameters like academic track record, year of passing, affinity to HCL location, performance in online test and interview. Our eligibility and selection criteria is defined by the needs of our business. Okay, so please click on submit application. So here you could see submit application. Please click over here, and your application has been submitted successfully. Application number is this. For further reference and any correspondence, please ensure that you mention your application number printed above for easy retrieval of the application form, right? And the next, if you'll see India, okay, HCL Tech. So now here my application form and application completed. So 35/2025, 10:31 AM, India headquarter companies in Times list of world best companies 2024, right? Okay, so friends, we have given you the complete details here. Okay, how you have to apply a step by step process. So that's the reason, friends, I always ask you, please do the things very much properly. Watch the genuine videos, and that's where we are here to help you. So this HCL hiring is going to be one of the biggest hiring, and even the preparation videos. See, you unsubscribe the channel after you get a job, I don't mind, but right now it is required for you to get all the job updates. And also, friends, we are starting the new course, I mean the new batch, Achievers 2.5 batch for 2025 and 2026 batch from June 1st. That means day after tomorrow. Okay, so please get this course, because tomorrow, if you want to work in a MNC company, today you have to put effort, and that effort should be in right direction. On YouTube, there are thousands of videos you cannot go and watch. So here we are going to help you to get selected in an MNC. So Achievers 2.5 batch is one of the most, for actually when we see at our this thing statistics, so this is the most sold and most trusted course among a student. Thank you, take care, all the very best. I'll not talk more about that. The content and result speak itself. That's what online study for you is known for. Thank you, take care, all the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care, keep preparing, keep applying, and keep putting hard effort.